Hi students of class 4. Today we will do one revision of chapter 2 Windows 7 desktop management. We will do the revision of page 16 and 17 today. Okay, so let's start. In this chapter, first we are learning about what is interface. What is interface? The working environment provided by the operating system to the user after it gets loaded on the computer is called its interface. That means the platform that the computer system is giving us after the operating system gets loaded on the computer, where we can start working, that phase is called the interface. Now, Windows 7 is the most popular operating system that is developed by Microsoft around the year 1995. Windows operating system. Now we will talk about Windows operating system. The first screen that we see after the computer start and where we can start working, that page, that screen is called the desktop. Next, the desktop has certain components like the start button, the most important button, the taskbar and the desktop background. Now, the Windows 7 operating system is a graphical user interface, GUI based operating system. Why? Because using the mouse we can click and the work can be done simply by clicking on the icons or maybe a list of items. We don't have to write any commands. Simply we need to click and do the work. That is why it is called the GUI based operating system. Now, all the programs and data are contained in the form of a file inside the computer, from where we can read or we can write on the data. Now, next, folder also provide us. What is folder? A folder can hold one or more file or folder inside it. That means whenever we are making related files, we can put those related file inside a particular folder, and related folder also we can put inside a particular folder. The file and this folder concept makes the data a bit organized way to be saved inside the hard disk of the computer system. Now, how to access these files and folders? Using the start button we can make it. Click on the start button, then we have the computer icon. Click on the computer icon, a window will open. Over there we can see all the drives of the computer system. Or another method is, on the desktop the computer icon is there, where we can double click and open the computer window. Over there all the drives we can see. Next we will revise about the features of Windows 7. The most important feature is it is very simple to use. Anyone can use it. It's very user friendly. The taskbar shows all the open programs. Whatever programs we are currently using, those icons will be shown on the taskbar. If we hover the mouse over those icons, the thumbnail of the open programs can be shown. New arrow pick feature is there, which turns the open windows transparent and show us the desktop. The notification area is also very simple and not cluttered by too many icons. Okay, the notification area is very simple to use. Jump list is also there, which take us quickly to the recently opened programs. Gadgets are also there, which provide us to place it on the desktop and we can get information at a glance. That means very fast we can get the information about different things, maybe news, maybe weather forecast. These things we can very easily get the information from the gadgets that are provided by the Windows 7 operating system. So today we revised about what is interface, what is Windows 7 operating system, how the file and folders are organized in Windows 7, how to access those files and folders, different features of Windows 7. So everyone will revise page 16 and 17 at home. Next part again we will revise in the next class. So till that time, read the chapter, learn the features, and chapter 1 as we have finished, I will request everyone to send me the book exercise and the CW copy pictures at dpsjhelpdesk@gmail.com so that I can make correction of your work and you can start learning for the UT exam. Okay, stay at home, do the work. Bye bye.